Hey everybody, it's Brian House here for Housework, and behind me is the frame of the 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster. If you're new to my channel, you should know that I'm in the middle of a pretty extensive rebuild on this bike. It's been a fun process so far, so thanks for joining. We are really just going to take a look at the frame and inspect it, take off any flaking and old paint, clean it up a bit, and then prime it and paint it matte black. I'm not going to powder coat this thing. I'm not going to sugar coat this thing. This is a budget bike build, and I'm just kind of doing it to bar hop around town. So anyhow, thanks for coming along. Let's get started. Something I did want to discuss right before I start this process is safety equipment. If you're going to be using a wire wheel, a grinder, anything, you should always wear eye protection, ear protection, and a respirator is never a bad idea either. I've got links down in the description to all the stuff I use. It's stuff I've been using for years. It's reliable, it works well, and you just never know, you're going to kick up something on a 30-year-old motorcycle that you're going to inhale, and 10, 20 years down the road, you get sick, and that would be terrible. So always protect yourself. All right, back to it. All right, so you can see now that the rust really is just surface rust. There's not a lot of structural damage, if any, on this frame. There won't be a whole lot of repair work that goes into making this thing structurally sound, which is great news for me. While I was grinding away and taking all the paint off and meditating while I was doing that, I was thinking about my neighbor Gary, who just finished his 1935 Ford Rat Rod truck. He actually hand painted the frame a matte finish, and it looks amazing. So I think I'm going to go down that road because it's going to save me some time as far as taking the paint all off of this thing and making it smooth and sanding it down and all that. Really just need to rough it up, prime it, and then hand brush on this matte finish paint. I don't know if it's like Rust-Oleum or Rust Doctor or whatever he used. I'll find out. But I like that look, and I think it really makes the rest of the bike pop. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But before I do that, I actually want to chop off a few things off the frame, and I'm not going to do that today, so you're going to have to wait to the next video to see that process happen with the paint. So anyhow, I do appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Please like, please subscribe, and remember, down in the description, there's links to all of the things I've used today. You click on those links, it helps support my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have an awesome, awesome day.
Thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram at house__work. That's 2 underscores between those words. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and leave us a like.